train approaching Suffern. And over here is the train yard. Right there is the Suffern Train Museum. Railroad Museum. And it is a bombardier pulling into Suffern. There's overhead lights. Too zoomed into. It's raining out, so I'm trying to cover up my camera. It's really raining out, like a lot. So some snow on the tracks. Thought it would wash it away by now. Sorry, my hand is in the way. I'm using my rain hood to stop the rain. Now my lens is all foggy. So yeah, there's the bombardier pulling into Suffern train station. Over and out.